entire class? Can you narrate to the entire class? Nikhil? Nikhil? Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you just tell what you have understood? Can you tell, or shall I?
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me. Your voice is audible. Tell me. Can you able to tell, or should I tell once again too?
Sir, we are substituting m and k value in uh, f
FS.
fs, sir. So
Okay.
there is fs and fd value. Fs value is more than or equal to the fd value, sir. We are supposed to put the values in fs, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
Exactly.
So we are putting the m is equal to 6 and k equal to 12.5. Then
Fine.
we are
Fine.
getting the safe load, sir.
Safe. Correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is your doubt? You understood that whatever that this thing I have sent, or no?
Sir, understood, sir, that one.
Okay, fine. I'll just quickly narrate. I think one person I am unable to admit. I don't know. This is a live. I think I told actually you please join through the link whatever I have sent. Okay, I think probably some forwarded link you are trying to admit. I think because of that I am unable to. So I think anyway that class video I am sharing in a YouTube video. So those who cannot able to look, okay, or don't leave the meeting. Okay, I think still I am unable to admit that one person. I don't know who is that live cd, some code is coming. So I told actually, so join through your name only, don't join through that. I think most of you have joined cd. Okay, your this thing is not there. The reason is probably you might have not entered through your mail. You might have some forwarded this thing, you might have entered that is why I'm not getting your name also. Okay, otherwise if you just join through the mail, subscribed mail to which that invitation has been sent, I think there will not be any problem. Done. So let us not waste much time. It is already 15 minutes. Okay, I'll try to complete as at the earliest. So his query was that Nikhil's query was, I think when it was not safe. Okay, which was not safe, that whatever that module 4 we have, when we checked for fs has to be greater than fd. So it was not safe actually. Okay, it was not safe. I'll just show that. Hope you can able to see my screen now. One second, somebody, Rangoli, can you able to see my screen now? Rohan, Rangoli, or anybody?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One second. I'll share my this thing. That yesterday's this thing. Okay. So one second. One second. Okay. So this was the this thing. So class this thing. So just see. I think I'll just zoom out. I'll just zoom out. Okay, so I think we just tried here. It was not safe. Okay, it was not safe. Then what we did, we changed the module either 5 to 6 millimeter. When you make module 5 millimeter, your face width will also change accordingly. His question was, when you substitute this module equal to 5 millimeter, should you again back substitute that in the sigma d equation? I think the sigma d, I think it is not there here. Okay, that sigma d, that induced stress we have found out to know that static. Should we do that? Is it required? So that was his question actually. I told not to do that. Why? Because when module 4 was there, that induced stress was very much less. Then 5 module means what? It is more strengthier. More strengthier means a section of that particular. I think I showed that. I don't remember exactly. I think if you have seen my videos properly, okay, so it is there. That means you have this particular this thing. Okay, so suppose this is module 4, module 5 will be something like this. Okay, the tooth thickness is more. This is 5. Roughly I'm showing. Roughly I'm showing. That means this particular tooth is more strengthier than this particular tooth. Hence, no need of checking again for sigma I. Okay, that sigma I, that Lewis equation, what we have used, no need of checking for that. So don't backtrace that. Only in that particular step, whatever is required, only that one only you should check. Now it is clear to all. Anybody having any doubt? I don't know how many of you have seen my yesterday's class recording, because that is immediately posted in YouTube video, and I have sent the link again, not a shareable link. Please see your mail, okay? So that I told that also you will get a separate email from YouTube. Okay, anybody still not got from YouTube that link, so and so has shared this thing, like anybody has got? Anybody has not received the email, check, please check that it may be in your spam. And again I told, don't delete that, you stay share in, you store that in one folder, so that whenever you have the doubt you can go back and then re-verify. Okay, I can't again give the ss. Okay, it is ss permitted, only those who have that can able to see. Okay, so with that we will continue with this. Is that okay? Somebody should, I am unable to see this thing. Is that okay? Is that
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
I,
I not got the email, yesterday's email, sir.
no, you just
Sorry.
check. You cannot. Otherwise, I will show that actually all of you got that actually. I'll just show that again. Let us see. I'll just go to that. Okay. So you can't. How it is not this thing? You just. I told you check in your spam. You check in your spam. Spam. You know. Probably you might have deleted all. So you just check once again. So it is this thing from YouTube only, or what you might have done. You might have denied. You might have denied. Can you able to see my screen now? Can you able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Just wait, just wait. Okay. Let's see. This is a class session. One second. One second. One second. One second. I just go to home. Okay. My channel. My YouTube Studio. I'll go to YouTube Studio. Okay, they are stored in YouTube Studio. So they are not public actually. Only to those who got the SS they can able to see. Just one second. I'm just sharing. Okay, so video. I think some 22 people have subscribed. Even I told actually how to do that. Just see here. One second. Here you can able to see. This is the 5th October. Today is 6th. Hardly 6 of you have seen. Okay, 6 of you have seen. I will just show that also. I'll just show that also. I'll just show that also. Get a shareable link. I think link copied. No, I'll just one second. I'll just show that. Okay, whom all I have shared that. It will show actually. You can't say you have not. Okay, share privately to entire class. I have shared that also. I'll show. Okay, hope you can able to see my screen. Just to see here, Jadov and then Omkar Patil, Suraj. Okay, you can view. Who can view? So just to see the top side. Can you see? All 60 I have added. All 60 I have added already. So you will get a YouTube. Probably you just check. You might have denied that mail receiving every time you keep on sending. No, you might have disabled that YouTube mail, or you have disabled my email itself. Go to junk and then enable that, it will be there. Okay, so you can't tell. Okay, just to see, it is a fifth day, that 5/10/2010. This is what is the class section, and then you can just see, I can remove, who can view. Okay, all of you can able to view that. Okay, total 61 60 or 61 people can able to see that. You can't tell I have not received. It is your mistake. You are telling a lie. That's all. Other than that, nothing. Is it clear? You just check your spam. So without wasting much of the time, just see, hardly 6 of you have watched that. Okay, that shows how much interest you are. Okay, and then again, previous class, that is also there. Hardly 14 of you have seen that. Only 14, 100, that is only 114. So like that, I can get the statistics who all have seen and all. Okay, you can even comment any doubt, any sort of, or you can email me also. So without wasting much of the time, we will go over here. So is that right? I have just shown that. So you can't tell it is not been shared. One second. Where is that? Arre bapre. I think one second. Yeah, it is here only. Yeah, it is here only. Yeah, it is here only. Yeah. So I think it is clear. So now next step, anybody can tell me what is the value of F endurance? F endurance. Hello. Hello. Hello.
11.75 kilonewton.
Can I able to, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. So please be attentive, be attentive. So I'll just close this. I think otherwise a lot of this thing it will be. So 1 second. So 1 second. F endurance. What is the value? F endurance. So somebody has to help me. F endurance equal to sigma endurance B into Y into M. What is sigma endurance? Can you tell from where you have taken that? Also, you should tell. Who is that? Who told that something? Hello. Please speak up. Am I audible? Hello. Yeah, please speak up. What is sigma endurance value? From where you have taken? From where you have taken sigma endurance? Hello. I don't know. Am I audible or no? All of you are muted. Huh? Left the class, all of you? Hello. Hello.
Sir,
Have you left the class or what? Why you are not responsive? Are you not interested? Shall we close the session?
No, sir.
Then why you are not responsive? At least one should answer, no? If you are not interested, leave it. I have other duty to do. If you are attending for the namesake, just leave it. That's all. You should be responsive. I can't see. First of all, I told it is a very challenging online class. If you are doing like this, it is very difficult. Is it clear? So tell me, some of you, what is from where you have taken a sigma endurance?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
for endurance limit, you took formula Fs is equal to sigma d p by m.
So this, what you are telling, this value, this is there or no? This F endurance equal to?
We have not solved, sir. In this.
I told you to solve, no, yesterday. Why you are not done then? Why you are not done? Why you are not done? Tell me. I told no to solve because I can't able to spend more time. Otherwise, what I will do next problem, I will give as an assignment. Those who will do. Otherwise, go to hell. That's what I can tell. So you should do that, no? Why you are not doing? Leaving apart this thing, class session also you are not looking, and again this shows your interest. That's all. Anybody
Sir,
can help.
in step 7, check for endurance limit.
Then check for endurance. Where is that formula? Where is the
Sir,
formula?
we used the formula Fs is equal to sigma d into b by m.
Not sigma D, sigma En. 1 second. That where is that equation number?
Page number 207.
Yeah, 2 F endurance equal to 1 second.
12.13.
One sec. Where is that sigma endurance? Page number
207, sir.
207. Yes, it is there. No, 12.13 A, page number 207. Y sigma endurance B into Y into A. Same it is actually. This one only. Whatever formula I have written, that one only. This only. It is 12.13 A. Okay, page. So just check this. Okay, so from where do you get the sigma endurance? From where do you get? Just see there. Sigma endurance is endurance limit table 12.15. Okay, so for that actually sigma endurance value probably, if it is not in this problem, it is not given. However, you know that sigma D 105, right? Is it available? Why nobody has tried? If it is not available, at least you could have told, from where you have to take, like, just to see that allowable. Please open all of you 12.15. 12.15 open. So you have sigma endurance and core BHN is there. So for core BHN, how do you take core BHN? BHN of the material is given in the problem. Please speak up.
no, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir,
BHN.
not given.
1 second. 105 is given, no? 105 sigma D is given, right? 105.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just open 12.7. Please open 12.7. Open 12.7 table, page 234. All of you, quickly. So you should not be panic, but at least you should try by this time. That is what I am really worried about. So open. Have you opened that? Have you opened
Yes, sir.
12.7? Yeah. So just to see 105 is not available. That is allowable static strength. The second column, it is not available in your data book. So just see all of you. Is it available? Anybody? Anybody?
No, sir.
What you can do, so there is one more which is nearer to that is either you can take 138 or one more is 138 only,
Sir.
that is from the top 78 is too less. Okay, 138, it is 105, no, some that you can take that. He, that is cast iron is there, heat treated, either you can go for that or what was the power to be transmitted? 1 second, I'll just get back. Slowly we will go slowly. What was the power to be transmitted in the given problem? What was the power?
15 kilowatt.
15
Huh?
kilowatt.
10 kilowatts, sir.
15. More than what? More than what you say, 10 kilowatt. Okay, go to the material selection thumb rule. Okay, so in fact, material properties given, sigma endurance would have been given in the problem. Since it is not given, why it is not given? This particular problem is something else. Okay, it's the same problem we have continued in that context. I am just telling you the guideline how to select sigma endurance. Otherwise, they will give the material in the problem. Okay, in the examination they will give the problem pertaining to the material having in this particular table 12.7 only. Okay, like cast iron or 20 grade or 25, they will give like that, but in this problem it is a special problem, okay, which you don't know. So in that context I am telling you some in a broader manner how to select. Okay, what you can do if it is not available, just it is a very logic. If suppose you go to the market, you are say is 42, okay, 42, suppose say it is 42 and 42 sizes are not available, what you will do? You come back like that, or you just take nearby, you have to buy only. Remember, just I am telling you this thing, you have gone to the ready-made shop wherein some sale is there. Okay, suppose a sale is there, you have to buy only. So 42 shirts are, you come back like that, just 2 inch, sometimes you sacrifice, so let us take a bigger one, smaller one you can't wear. So sometimes you do like, otherwise you also say, check whether some 42 they will write they print that 44, but sometimes the shirts are smaller, you do like that and buy, no. Similarly, when it is not available, that material given is not available in the table, you have the liberty in this case only. Yeah, don't do all the time. So you can write a note, since the material given, that property of the that material given in the problem is not available in the table 12.7, considering the nearer material cast steel 0.2% carbon untreated with sigma d 138.3, okay, and correspondingly what is the BHN of that? BHN of that is 180. And again, if you come to the table 12.15, again I am doing very slowly. Shall I repeat once again? Shall I repeat once again? Any of you, or you are with me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you following or no?
Continue, sir.
Yeah,
Following, sir.
correct. So, okay, just see what I have done. I have taken a 0.2% carbon steel with 138.3 sigma D having BHN equal to 180. Okay, so now go to the table 12.15, page 238, and ironically, there also you can notice there is no BHN of 180. I think there is a 200 BHN, 150 BHN, 120, 110. So again, this is a core BHN. So core BHN means inside the body. Okay, I'll just 1 second, I'll tell this again. I had told actually what is that core means. So suppose if it is a cross section of the steel, so inside is called as core, outside is actually outside BHN and inside BHN, they are not same. Outside BHN is more actually, because why it is more? Because for wear and all, inside BHN will be less. Why it is less? Because if it is more BHN, it will be brittle. So in that context, they keep the inner BHN as a smaller or lesser value. Okay, they keep a lesser value inner and higher BHN at the outer. Okay, so it is 180 is also not available. So what you can do from table 12.5, you have to sacrifice, that's all, nothing more. Okay, there is one something called a steel 150 and steel 200. So either you can choose any of that. Okay, and the semi steel is there, high grade one. So I think unnecessarily you don't go for that, because semi steel and all, I think they're all new materials. So don't go for that. You take that steel. There are two, 150 and then 200. Either you can take 150 steel. Assume that, of course. See how from where all we have jumped. We have jumped from sigma D 105 to some 190, for which I think 190 or how much, 138, for which BHN was 180, but 180 it was not available here. So for that I am jumping to 200 BHN. Okay, 200 BHN, and for that it is sigma endurance is 345 mega Newton per meter square. Okay, I'll write here. So I think it will be recorded. Okay, it will be recorded. If my voice is breaking over here, you need not worry. This will be recorded in the class video, which I'm going to share it in YouTube. You can listen slowly by muting, and then again read this thing and then make yourself. 45 megapascal from table 12.15. Okay, 1 second. Table 12.15. 1 second. 12.15, page 238. So how I took this BHN, it was actually 180, but I have taken BHN, I have assumed from 180. So it, since it is not available, I have assumed this as 200. That is 200 is what? It is a core BHN. So that core means inside. Okay, so that inside BHN is a core BHN. So that I have assumed. Okay, so this I have assumed a core BHN, and then I have consider that sigma endurance equal to this. Now you check, anybody, any of you just check, you substitute sigma en equal to 345 and B value, whatever that module 6 for 6, I think it was safe, no? For module it was safe, no? For 6 it was safe, no? FS.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you
Sir.
just substitute that corresponding value of this, corresponding value of Y and module, and check this has to be what? F endurance has to be greater than FD. So just check if it is safe or not. I think corresponding equations I have given it in the design, so that this thing only, procedure only. Anybody hope I am doing very slowly, and if the voice is breaking, that is the
Safe, sir.
biggest. What is the value? Safe means what is the value?
48.52 kilonewton, sir.
58.52.
48.
41 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 48, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Can you see it? Can you see this? I think, sorry, I think.
No, sir. No, sir.
That is 1 second. That is why I think it has gone. This network problem, I think it is creating havoc. Yeah. Now you can. Now, can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is 48.52 kilonewton. So that means it is safe. You can write, please write a note after every step. Your note, you should be there as, okay, F endurance is greater than FD. Gears are, okay, gears are safe against dynamic endurance limit. Gears are safe against endurance check. Gears are safe against, okay, endurance check. So this you have to write. Okay, is it clear? Anybody? I'll just pause here. If anybody is still not comfortable, generally I'll repeat once again. In this particular problem, the material, it is not given directly, FD value is given, and they have asked to check only module. But since the same problem I have carried for the further step, because continuity will be there, in that context I have continued. But in examination they will give a material such that it is available in your data book, remember that. Okay, in this problem they had given only FD value, which is again not available in the table 12.7 of your data book, page 234. For that, what we did, we had taken a steel material which is nearer to 105. I think I have taken 138. This thing, that is cast steel, 0.2% carbon, untreated I have taken. You can that is nearer actually, which is having 180 BHN, that is Brinell hardness number. Again, for taking Sigma endurance, I have gone to table 12.15, page 238, wherein 180 BHN is not available. Again, what I did, nearer to that I have taken 200. You can ask from table 12.15, there is one more material called as a semi steel. This semi steel is high strength, which is costly. It is a composite material. For academics, don't unnecessarily assume. Once you go to the profession, you can explore there. But in academics, what you do, you take a material, steel, something is there, 150 is there, 200 is there. Don't go the below, you go 180 or above. I have taken a 200, for which Sigma endurance is 345. Okay, 345 from table 12.15, page 235. After substituting that Sigma endurance in this particular expression, okay, that is 12.13a, page 207. Somebody of you only told it is 48.52, which is greater than FD. Hence, and this is safe. Gears are safe against endurance check. Is it right? Anybody having any doubt? I tried my level best to convince. So I'll just mute here. Anybody having any query, tell. If no, this thing is there. Some collectively, if 2 to 3% tell, no doubt. I will go to next step, last step, quickly.
No, sir, no doubt.
No doubt. Others?
Sir,
Others? No
No
doubt.
doubt.
Done.
sir,
Done. Yeah.
sir,
Please.
sir, if you take
Yes,
K
continue,
equal
sir.
to 10, sir,
1 second. Fantastic.
then it will be safe.
That is what it is. Suppose he's this. I understood what, if F endurance is less than FD, what to do? This is your question.
If we take K value 10, sir, then we'll
1 second.
38.8.
One second. I'll just tell. Is it your this thing or something else is your doubt? I'll make other color. I think I'll make other color. Is it your doubt?
No, sir, no, sir.
Then what is that? Tell me.
If we take B value 10, sir, then also it will be safe, sir. 38.82 kilonewton.
No issue. Then you go ahead. But again, remember, I think step actually, I'll just scroll down. Previous step, I don't know how much you have taken. I think I told actually, 1 second, to change from 10 to 12, because to avoid the iteration. I told if you have taken this, so you go ahead with that. If you have taken 10 here and after taking 10, if it is safe here, FS, then you continue with the 10 only. I
Yes,
don't
sir,
have
it
any.
is safe, sir. It's safe,
That's
sir.
what you understood, no? That bottom line you should understand. That's all, nothing more. It is clear, no? It is clear, no?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So okay, and again that is a very good question, because you should also look into, as a design engineer, you should look into economic point. Economic point means what? Unnecessarily don't increase the cross section. If you increase the cross section, material will be more you have to spend. More material means more cost, means more uneconomical design. It is called over design or uneconomical design. So as a designer, you should also look into that. It is good you have brought this. Hope it is clear to entire class. I encourage. Okay, now it is clear.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Anybody query other than that? And again, suppose if it is less, what to do? If F endurance is less than FD, what you have to do, Baba?
Iteration, sir.
Again, iteration. Okay, you understand that iteration. Bottom line, you understand iteration. That's all. I will not unnecessarily this thing. Okay, anybody having any query? Anybody having any query other than this? If no query, then we will go ahead. Last step. Okay, what is the step number? What is step number? Hello.
8, sir, 8.
Yes, step number 8. What is this? Wear load where load check. Okay, where load check, it is FW equal to D1. Anybody can tell me the formula? Remember, irrespective of your design criteria, wear has to be done for pinion only. This I have narrated in my regular video and thereafter, because pinion is smaller compared to gear. Okay, so more smaller means what? It will make more number of revolutions. Okay, more number of, that is, if it makes one circle, that time this will make two circle, something like that. Okay, in that context, more this thing means what? I think a footwear, this thing example I had given, more distance traveled means more wear means more chances of failure. That is why, irrespective of design criteria, wear check has to be done always for pinion only. Pinion means D1. So what is the formula? Quickly, anybody?
One into B.
One second. One second. Just D1 into
B into Q into K.
B into Q into K. Okay, so D1 you know, B also you know. What is Q? It is a ratio 2 times D2 divided by D1 plus D2 or Z2 plus Z1. Just see. I think below that, this thing expression only they have given. Is it right? I think I am just telling without seeing the data book. So
Yes,
just
sir.
correct me if I am wrong, because what happens, memory also. Okay, so
Sir, 2Z2,
yeah,
Z2 divided by Z2 plus Z1.
or D2 also, you will get same.
Right,
Again,
sir.
and remember this D2, D1 and Z2, Z1, you should substitute whatever, if in case you have altered, okay, just check that and then verify. Okay, some small ratio difference may be there, need not worry, you just consider that one only. And K value, okay, K value, for K value, again I tell, there are two actually tables available. One is a formula they have given, and you just refer table 12.16, page number 239. Okay, 239. So you have to refer. It is the K is a stress concentration depending upon the endo. You have to take. Don't get confused. Don't take it from 12. You have to take it from table 12.16, because I told that core hardness, and then again surface hardness, they are different. Okay, whatever we have considered earlier, it is the core Brinell hardness considering. Who has done? Can you just tell me quickly, so that with this we will end? Anybody? That formula, are you using a formula? K value? Hello?
1.6 I got, sir.
How you get that? Just tell me. You share, no? How you calculate that K value?
The K equal
Sir,
to
Q value is saying, sir.
the Q value 1.6, sir.
K, how did you get that K value? Q is how much? Q is how much?
1.6, sir. 1.6.
1 point. It is coming same, no? If you take Z2 and D1 also, you are getting same
Sir.
or different? Some of you can do that. Some of you can do two times Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2. Some of you do by this method. Some of you do by
Yes,
this
sir.
method.
Sir.
Same,
Same.
no? Okay, so this is correct. Q is over, B is over, D1 is also over. K value, you tell me K value. You calculated K value. Quickly. So please look into the data book. I think my voice, I do agree. I am also helpless. I am doing the best possible from my side within the limitations. Okay. So if it is not, so make yourself close all your apps like Facebook, WhatsApp. I repeat once again, forcibly stop them. Don't browse, because this needs a lot of bandwidth, and sit in a place where your network is better off. Okay, what is this thing, you wear this thing, you have to see, that is a dynamic load. And again where is that wear load? Fw B1 key K. Okay, K is a sigma endurance sine alpha 1 divided by 1.4 into 1 upon E1 plus 1 upon E2. Anybody has done that? I'll write that K equal to sigma Yeah, I think 1 second. I think it is too light. Too light. Too light. Too light. Sigma endurance square into sine alpha. Please note down in this particular problem, lot of these things are there. So I'm intentionally taking this so that in case if it is not given, you should not be panic in examination. Okay. So in that context only I am taking, right? So anybody has done this? So E1 E2 already we know, and alpha is also known, 14.5 degree. Sigma endurance, what he says below that one only you just see. Sigma endurance, has he mentioned that? Table, I think he says the same. You have to see K value directly from there, or sigma endurance, yeah, 12.15 D, 2.75 BHN minus 70. So I'll just go according to that, since otherwise directly you can check from the table. Hope I'm audible, any one of you. Sigma endurance equal to 2.75 into BHN minus 70. Okay, so just check this. Okay, it is a 12.15 D, page number 208. So this BHN is average BHN. So average BHN, I think I told that you assume core BHN equal to surface BHN, that is a 200 you have taken no, earlier. You have taken 200, no? Hello?
Not 7.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you just take 2.75. Average is a 200 plus 200 divided by 2. It is 200 only. Okay, minus. So what is the value you are getting here? Quickly, one of you.
480. 480, sir.
480. So 1 second, 1 second. Please hold on. Please hold on. 480 megapascal. 480 megapascal. Okay, you can even look into the data book. One problem I will give it so that you can do it from the data book. So you just substitute all value and then let me know. And this FW should be greater than, I'll write here, FW should be greater than FD. FW should be greater than FD. If not, what has to be done? I have told. So please let me know whether it is safe or not. Value.
Sir, I'm getting 5.3 kilonewton.
1 second. I don't know. 1 second. I'll write it. Others also please calculate. FW 5 point,
3 kilonewton.
which is less or more
Less, sir, less.
less than FD. Others please check. Others please check. E1 E2 you have taken properly. You know here this in this K value. I think K value. I think sorry. 1 second. K. What is the K value, Baba? You told that this thing. What is the K value total?
Sir, I have, sir, for 480 sigma ES, K value is 0.402, sir.
0.40. I think others also please tell if you are not getting, so that we can go whatever we solve. No, ultimately you should understand that is 402. He got 402. Others just check. This is a K value. That is what he is telling. I don't know. Please check. I don't have the answer. Anybody?
Yes, sir. 0.40.
Correct. Huh? So if you do 0.402, he told FW is coming 5.3 kilonewton. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means what? It is not safe. It is not safe. Okay, so you write as FW. So I think some three to four people are getting this value only. I think two people have told 5.3. Others I don't know whether they are doing the calculation or not. Others, I have to unmute and call one by one. Then only they will be.
Sir,
Yeah.
K value I am getting 0.205, sir.
But just check because
I am getting 0.209, sir.
just check
Sir,
them.
Sir,
Yeah.
0.39, sir.
Okay, 0.2,
0.39, sir.
0.3. Please check, verify.
Sir.
Ultimately, FW you check whether it is less than FD or not, because some decimal, if you just take that, so some this thing will be there. Even need to what value you have taken, I don't know, 207. Some of you might have taken, or 208. Some of you have taken 210. Some of you have taken. Again, it is a gigapascal.
Sir,
Okay.
207 we have taken.
Correct. So what is the K value for that?
0.2056, sir.
0.39, sir.
Sir, endurance,
0.209.
sir, endurance stress, they are taking different, sir.
Endurance.
Sigma, Sigma endurance we have taken 480, no sir. They are taking
Correct. Probably they might have taken different value. So just check, Baba, if you have taken this. So then you
Sir,
ultimately
0.40 is correct, sir.
correct. No, no. Ultimately, my this thing. Those who have got some point to whatever k value, whether you check whether it is safe or not. That is what is the ultimate crux. Is it safe? Is it like this or something else? FW is more than FD or less than FD? Hello. Hello.
less than FD, sir.
Then less than FD means unsafe, no. So you whatever sigma endurance you take, don't worry about that. It is less only. Whatever value you take, it is less on only, and you write quickly as FW is less than FD. Gears are not safe against wear load. As FW is less than FD, gears are unsafe or not safe. Unsafe, both are same. Gears are unsafe. I'll write gears are unsafe against wear load. Okay, what to be done against wear load? What has to be done? What has to be done? Anybody remember? Next, what to do if they are not safe? Hello.
Equate both the FW and FD, sir.
What you have to do? I'll just tell us slowly. Listen carefully. Again, not tell. So this whatever FW value is there, no. So you substitute equal to FD. FD you have calculated already. That safe stress it has come, no. So what was FD? FD. What was the FD? FD is here only, I think. FD. What was the FD? After that 6 module or something. What was the FD?
Sir, 11.23.
1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. I think I'll do anyway. Good, all are in track. 11.13 kilonewton.
23 kilonewton.
3, sir.
23, sir.
23 kilonewton. Okay, this you take and right hand side, whatever equation you have, no, this you keep it like that. What is that? FW equal to what was the equation? FW equal to B into Q into 1 second. Where is that? 1 second. B into Q into K. Okay, so D1 B Q K. You just keep everything as it is on the other side. Okay, I'll just rewrite here. I'll rewrite here. What is that? B D1 Q K. You keep it like this. Okay, you keep it like this, and this K, don't substitute the value of K now. Okay, you just convert this. You convert this. I'll just tell what is that. 11 point. Hope it is clear. My screen. I'll use a darker one. I'll use a darker one. I'll use a darker one. 11.23 into 10 to the power 3 equal to whatever B value, this you substitute, this you find out. This you find out. What is that K value? Okay, don't substitute. You find out the K value. After getting the K value, you locate the same from the table 12.16, page number 239. 239. You understood now? Hello? Hello? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell
Yes,
me,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
tell me the value. Tell me the value. Tell me the value.
So for 11.23 kilonewton, K value I am getting 0.83, sir.
0.8.
Sir, 0.83.
Okay.
Double
Same, sir.
Please, others, if everyone is getting same, then you just check your data book. Those who have, what you have to do, you please open the data book. I'll tell slowly and only one time. Open page 239, table 12.16 for 14.5 degree. That last but one column, that K they have written. First one is pinion, second is gear, endurance limit, and K value. Under 14.5 degree, you go on checking where that 0.83 is coming. I think 0.814 is there for 14.5 degree. After that, 0.990 is there. All of you can able to see that? Hello?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Sir,
0.990 for that. The BHN of pinion is 350 and BHN of gear is 250. I repeat once again. What I did. So this K value locate from table. I'll write here so that you need not, if my voice is breaking. So locate, okay, K from table 12. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 12.16, page 239 at 14.5 degree column. Okay, so I think you can notice you can't take a smaller, don't take a smaller, because the K value should be more than that. So 0.83 is not available. The only available is 0.999. For that, BHN, I'll write BHN. So I'll write below. For pinion, I'll write, and then I'll write gear. I'll write, so we should conclude. So BHN of gear, okay, gear and pinion. So can anybody tell me what is the BHN of gear? Of course, pinion comes first and gear second in that data book. Can anybody tell me 0.99, how much is that? You should see from top.
Sir,
350.
for pinion 350, sir.
Yes, 350. Just see, it is
For
350.
pinion
And, yeah, pinion. For gear, it is 250.
250.
Okay, so this is what is the end of the design. That's all. And again, you should see from the top. Again, there may be multiple. Below also, you may have different this thing. Okay, so don't go. It slowly increases. Again, you have got two actually. There is one more 0.99, for which again both pinion and gears are 300. Don't unnecessarily go for that, because what happens, this heat treatment procedure is done using induction hardening. As a designer, you should not unnecessarily increase the cost, because heat treatment also needs money. Okay, so with this we will stop here. I thought of completing one more problem. Again, what I will do, that problem I will give it as an assignment today. So all of you try to solve. Okay, it is a compulsion, and randomly I will ask. Tomorrow's session, and then with that we will end this particular gear, spur gear. Okay. So any doubts? I'll stop sharing here. Anybody having any doubt, you are free to ask now. You are free to ask now. Hello. Anybody having doubt?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
No, sir.